Have you or someone close to you ever taken supplements to improve health but felt no difference? Or even worse, experienced fatigue, headaches, or discomfort after taking vitamins? If this sounds familiar to you, then pay close attention, because what I'm about to share could be crucial for your health. We often hear that supplements are good for the body, that vitamins promote well-being, and that natural capsules come with no risks. However, the reality is quite different. Some supplement combinations can be highly harmful to your health, but few talk about it, and many doctors are unaware of these interactions. Today, I'm going to reveal which supplement combinations you should avoid at all costs. Believe me, what may seem like an innocent mix could actually cause silent damage to your liver, hormonal imbalance, and even increase the risk of serious diseases. And worse, you might think you're taking care of your body when, in fact, you're harming it. This information is little known, new, and serious. Few healthcare professionals are warning about it, but understanding these interactions can make all the difference in protecting vital organs such as the kidneys, brain, and heart. To begin, I'll give you an important tip. Did you know that taking calcium and magnesium at the same time can significantly decrease the absorption of both? That's right. Although these minerals are essential for health, they compete for the same absorption channels in the intestine, and when taken together, one can block the other's action. The solution is simple. Take calcium in the morning, preferably with breakfast, and magnesium at night before bed. This timing separation already significantly improves the absorption and effect of each of these nutrients in your body. Throughout this lesson, you will learn about other supplements that should never be combined, understand which ones work better on their own, and how to create an effective, simple, and safe supplementation routine. This approach not only optimizes the benefits of supplements, but also protects your body from potential complications. If you value your health, quality of life, and well-being, stay with me until the end. If you believe that the wisdom of nature and knowledge are the greatest allies for taking care of the body, comment below. After all, life is a precious gift. Pause this video now and share it with people you love. This information could be exactly what they need to avoid a mistake that, unknowingly, is harming their health every day. So, let's begin. Dangerous supplement combinations, what you should never mix and why to avoid them. Many people turn to supplementation in order to improve health, correct nutritional deficiencies, or complement their diet. However, what few know is that certain nutrients, when taken together, can impair the absorption of others, overload the body, or even create imbalances. This is not just a theoretical issue, but a proven biochemical reality. The human body has specific mechanisms for the absorption, transport, and metabolism of nutrients, and when different supplements compete for the same channels or intestinal receptors, conflicts arise. Now, I will detail some of the main combinations you should avoid, clearly explaining the reason and offering effective alternatives. Calcium and magnesium, the competition between essential minerals. Calcium and magnesium are essential minerals for various functions in the body, but they compete for the same intestinal transporters. When consumed together in large doses, the absorption of both is impaired, with calcium being prioritized, which can lead to magnesium deficiency over time. Magnesium is crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including regulating calcium absorption itself. How to solve it? The ideal solution is to separate the intake of these minerals. Take calcium in the morning or at lunch, and leave magnesium for the end of the day, before bed. This simple adjustment can enhance the absorption efficiency of both, and also help improve sleep quality, as magnesium has a relaxing effect. Iron and calcium. The impact on iron absorption. Iron, especially in the form of ferrous sulfate, is absorbed in the duodenum and depends on an acidic environment to be properly assimilated. Calcium, on the other hand, tends to alkalinize the intestine and also shares the same absorption channels as iron. When taken together, iron absorption can be reduced by up to 60%, which is particularly problematic for people with anemia or for women of childbearing age who need adequate iron levels. How to solve it? To maximize iron absorption, take it on an empty stomach and combine it with vitamin C, which aids its absorption, such as with orange juice. Calcium should be taken at least 2 hours after iron to prevent one from interfering with the absorption of the other. Zinc and copper, the competition between essential minerals. Zinc and copper have an antagonistic relationship in the body, competing for absorption in the metalloenzyme ceruloplasmin and also in intestinal transporters. When zinc is consumed in high doses, such as over 50 milligrams per day, it can inhibit copper absorption, which may cause problems such as anemia, weakness, hair loss, and even mild neurological disorders. How to solve it? If you need high doses of zinc, such as for immunity supplementation or to combat acne, use it in cycles and combine it with a balanced form of copper, like copper gluconate, or use multivitamins that contain appropriate amounts of both minerals, vitamin D and magnesium. The activation and absorption relationship. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, but an essential steroid hormone that needs to go through 2 activation stages in the liver and kidneys. Magnesium plays a crucial role as a cofactor in both stages of vitamin D activation. Without enough magnesium, vitamin D may not be converted to its active form, which explains why many people, even when supplementing with D3, continue to show signs of deficiency. Additionally, isolated vitamin D supplementation can increase magnesium excretion, further worsening the deficiency. How to solve it? Always combine vitamin D with magnesium, especially if you are taking more than 2,000 international units daily. Vitamin D can be taken in the morning or during lunch, as it needs fat to be absorbed, and magnesium should be taken at night, preferably before bed, to also benefit relaxation and sleep quality. Vitamin E and omega-3, the potential risk of increased bleeding. Both vitamin E and omega-3 have natural anticoagulant properties, which are beneficial for cardiovascular health in moderate doses. However, when combined in high doses, especially in people who already use anticoagulants like aspirin, Marevin, or Xarelto, the risk of bleeding can be significantly increased. How to solve it? If you are using anticoagulants or have a history of clotting disorders, do not combine vitamin E and omega-3 without medical guidance. For healthy people, a good practice is to alternate the days of use. Take vitamin E one day and omega-3 the next. Multivitamins and isolated supplements. The danger of excess. Many multivitamins already contain a good amount of nutrients like zinc, iron, B6, B12, vitamin A, and others in balanced proportions. However, when you combine these multivitamins with isolated supplements, you may end up consuming excessive doses of certain nutrients, exceeding the recommended daily intake and increasing the risk of hepatotoxicity, neuropathies, and other metabolic disorders. How to solve it? Carefully read the labels of your supplements and check what is already included in your multivitamin. Avoid duplicating nutrients unnecessarily, as this can lead to imbalances and harm your health in the long run. The risk of silent interactions. These dangerous interactions between supplements are often silent. You may not notice the negative effects immediately, but the damage occurs gradually and can affect various organs, such as the liver, kidneys, cardiovascular system, and even the brain. Small corrections in how you organize your supplements, such as the timing and dosage, can improve absorption and protect your body. Essential supplements. What every human should include in their routine. Nowadays, supplementation has become a recurring topic in discussions about health and well-being. Many people turn to supplements to improve their quality of life, but not always with the necessary knowledge. Some take numerous capsules without knowing exactly why they're doing it, while others avoid any form of supplementation due to doubts or lack of reliable information. However, there are supplements that are truly indispensable for human health, regardless of age or clinical condition. And this is not just an opinion, but a statement backed by science, biochemistry, and clinical experience accumulated over the years. Below, I will present these essential supplements and explain the importance of each one. Magnesium, the guardian of body functions. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that participates in over 300 biochemical reactions in the human body. Among its main functions, it stands out in controlling glucose, regulating blood pressure, supporting the proper functioning of the heart, muscles, and nervous system, as well as being crucial for quality sleep. Why supplement? Unfortunately, many soils around the world are depleted of magnesium, making it difficult to achieve the ideal amount of this mineral through diet alone, even with a balanced diet. How to supplement? The most effective forms of magnesium include chelated magnesium or magnesium malate. It is best to take it at night since it also helps promote relaxation, encouraging restorative sleep. Vitamin D3 with K2. The sun in capsules and the guide for calcium. Vitamin D3 is not just a vitamin, but an essential steroid hormone for immune system health, strengthening bones, preventing cancer, and maintaining hormonal balance. However, for vitamin D3 to function effectively, it should be combined with vitamin K2. The latter helps direct calcium to the bones and prevents it from depositing in the arteries, preventing calcification. Why supplement? Many individuals have low levels of vitamin D, even in sunny countries. Modern life, marked by excessive time spent indoors, has contributed to this widespread deficiency. How to supplement. Vitamin D should be taken in the morning, preferably with a healthy fat source like olive oil or eggs. Vitamin K2 should be taken together to optimize calcium action. Vitamin C, the powerful antioxidant for the body. Vitamin C is widely recognized as a potent antioxidant, crucial for collagen production, immune system health, skin care, blood vessels, and the prevention of infections. Why supplement? The human body cannot produce vitamin C, and often the amount obtained from food alone is insufficient, especially during periods of stress or illness. How to supplement? Vitamin C can be taken 2 to 3 times a day in divided doses, and is more effective in forms like ascorbic acid or liposomal, which ensure better absorption by the body. Omega-3, the fuel for the body and mind. Omega-3 is an essential fatty acid that plays a crucial role in brain health, cardiovascular system health, and controlling inflammation in the body. It helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to several diseases, and also improves the fluidity of cell membrane. Why supplement? The modern diet is excessively rich in omega-6, which has an inflammatory effect on the body, while being deficient in omega-3, leading to an imbalance that contributes to heart disease, joint pain, psychiatric disorders, and many other conditions. How to supplement. Choose fish oils with high concentrations of EPA and DHA from trusted sources, free of heavy metals. The intake should be daily, with doses adjusted according to individual needs. Coenzyme Q10, the source of cellular energy. Coenzyme Q10 is a substance present in all cells of the human body and is vital for energy production in the mitochondria. Its function is crucial for maintaining cellular energy, especially in organs that require more energy, such as the heart and brain. Its use is particularly recommended for people over 40 and those who take statins, cholesterol-lowering medications, which can reduce natural coenzyme Q10 levels. Why supplement? The natural production of coenzyme Q10 begins to decline after the age of 30, resulting in a loss of vital energy and, in more severe cases, weakening of the heart and other organs. How to supplement? Coenzyme Q10 should be taken with foods that contain fat, as this improves its absorption. The most effective form is coenzyme Q10 in its ubiquinol version, which is more bioavailable. Smart and strategic supplementation. The key to maximizing benefits. Smart supplementation doesn't mean taking any supplement indiscriminately, but focusing on what is truly essential for your body, considering the quality and dosage appropriate for your specific needs. The supplements mentioned here are not passing fads or inventions, but rather essential tools for maintaining health and preventing diseases. When used correctly, these supplements can enhance your health, balance vital functions, and optimize your overall well-being. The treasure of health, the natural recipe. Now, it's time to reveal something truly valuable, a natural recipe that nourishes, strengthens, and protects your body in a simple yet powerful way. In a world where many spend fortunes on isolated supplements and complex formulas, nature has always provided complete and functional solutions, like a true gift to our health. The recipe I am going to share with you is inspired by the concept of smart nutrition, which combines rich, natural, and functional foods to provide the body with exactly what it needs in the most effective way possible. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of ground golden flaxseed, an excellent source of omega-3, fiber, and magnesium, which help regulate the intestines and promote cardiovascular health. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a potent natural anti-inflammatory that brings benefits to the immune system and helps combat silent inflammations. A pinch of black pepper. Pepper activates the absorption of turmeric in the body up to 20 times, enhancing its therapeutic effects. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil, essential for improving the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins D3 and K2. Juice of half a lemon. Rich in vitamin C, it acts as an alkalizer and improves digestion. 200 milliliters of warm water helps dissolve the ingredients and enhances nutrient absorption. Preparation. Method. In a glass, mix all the ingredients with the warm water. Stir well until everything is completely dissolved. Drink slowly, preferably on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before breakfast. How to use. Consume this mixture daily for at least 30 days. To intensify its effects, you can add 2 drops of liquid vitamin D3 plus K2 directly to the glass, if you already have the supplement at home. Combine this drink with a light, protein-rich breakfast to optimize the benefits. Benefits of this recipe: intestinal regulation and improvement of gut flora. Flax seeds and turmeric help keep the digestive system healthy and balanced. Combat chronic inflammation. Turmeric, along with black pepper, offers a potent anti-inflammatory action that works silently in the body, assists in vitamin D absorption. Coconut oil and vitamin C aid the absorption of essential nutrients like vitamin D, which is crucial for bone and immune health, protects the heart, and strengthens the immune system. The combination of omega-3 and antioxidants present in lemon and turmeric is excellent for cardiovascular and immune health, improves brain performance, and reduces fatigue. Magnesium and omega-3 are essential for proper brain function, contributing to concentration and reduced fatigue, prevents blood sugar spikes and improves insulin sensitivity. Flax seeds and lemon help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote insulin sensitivity in cells. Each ingredient in this recipe was carefully chosen for its specific function and the synergy it creates with the others. Together, they form a complete natural supplement with everything your body truly needs to function optimally. And in addition to all the benefits, there's something more. This daily practice has symbolic and energetic value, creating a ritual of self-care and self-love. This is just a small example of what nature can offer for our well-being. Unfortunately, many are unaware of the powerful natural resources available to us, and even forget how to use them to benefit their health. The knowledge of natural remedies, which have helped generations upon generations of people, is being lost. However, by resuming these simple yet powerful practices, we can restore our health holistically, using the best that nature has to offer. Take care of your health wisely, embrace the power of nature, and don't put off what you can start doing today. The best time to begin this journey is now. Conclusion. And what do you think of this class? Do you now realize how certain combinations of supplements can actually harm your health, even when they seem harmless? And how ancient wisdom, with its simplicity and potency, is still one of the most effective ways to care for the body? I want to know, from 0 to 10, what's your rating for this class? And from which city are you watching? Let me know in the comments. I read them all with great affection. If you also believe that the wisdom of nature is a true gift, right now, life is a miracle. This phrase will be a commitment to your health, your awakening, and the path to true healing. Now, pause this video and share it with at least 3 people you love. How many people don't know they're consuming capsules without understanding the harmful effects of these combinations, thinking they're taking care of their health, when, in reality, they're slowly harming their bodies? You can be the channel for transformation for them, bringing them true and liberating knowledge. Do this for those you love. And to help even more, I'll leave 2 powerful videos on the screen that will deepen your knowledge and boost your health. Don't miss watching them until the end. You deserve this care. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, as there's a new class every week with valuable information based on science and love. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. A big hug, lots of health, and may God bless you.